How to fix Ashes of Creation crashing on Steam. So first you want to right click on the game in your Steam library and then open up the properties window. Now in the general tab you can add to the launch options box -dx11 like this, and then go to the installed files and click on verify the integrity of game files and wait for it to finish checking. Now once this is done you can close Steam, and then you will need to open up your browser, and if you have a NVIDIA graphic card you'll need to download and install NVIDIA app. You can look up NVIDIA app and download it from this website, and then you can go to the drivers tab. From here make sure to select Game Ready driver, check for updates, and download and install the latest available update. And once you do that you will also need to install the redistributables. So you can basically search for redist, click on the first link, and then scroll down to the second table and make sure to download and install the 86 and the 64, both of these. And once you finish installing them it will ask you to restart your computer, and just after the restart you want to open up Steam as admin before launching the game. Right click on Steam and run as admin, and then you can simply open up Ashes of Creation, and this should fix the crash issues. Thanks for watching and subscribe.